Hi Windsor, this is Stephanie Ahlstedt, your local realtor broker with Manor Realty. Welcome to our open house at 1497 Ellrose in Windsor. Today I'll be giving you a tour of this beautiful East Windsor ranch, highlighting some of its best features and some of the recent updates to the staging to truly show you its maximum potential. Let's get started. This kitchen is fully equipped with tons of cupboard space, all with soft close drawers and doors, brand new stainless steel appliances, including dishwasher, an oversized kitchen sink, gleaming quartz countertops, and this great little breakfast nook. It's designed to handle everything from quick meals to dinner parties, making it a great space to work and enjoy. So here we have our formal dining room, could also be used as a living room. We've got beautifully refinished hardwood floors, bright corner windows, leading right off to our kitchen and our bedrooms. Here we have our primary bedroom. This bedroom gets plenty of natural light, making it bright and a comfortable space where you'll feel right at home. One of the great features as well is that the closet has a light in it, so you're never having to search in the dark for your clothes. This bathroom is designed with tile floors and tile tub surround, offering both style and practicality. It's bright, clean space, it's easy to enjoy, and perfect for everyday use. This is the second bedroom on the main floor. Offers two bright windows. It's arranged to feel cozy and private, giving you a comfortable space to enjoy. This one also has the lighted closets. Welcome to the basement living room. We've got nice high ceilings and bright pot lights. It's organized to feel spacious and inviting, with room for both daily use and hosting guests. This is your bright and spacious third bedroom located in the basement. We've got the lit closets as well, and bright pot lights. And then if we come through here, we've got our oversized laundry room with tile floors. You've got a 200 amp electrical panel. Just through here, we have a second very large bathroom with tile floors, tile surround, big soaker tub, and bright vanity lights. Your furnace is located right here, your hot water tank, and plenty of extra storage. And then right through here, we have a sump pump and more storage space. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to see this property in person, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm Stephanie Ahlstedt with Manor Realty, and I'm here to help you find your perfect home.